Hello my dears. In today's short pronunciation video, we're going to look at this sound here. This is I, I, I. Now, most commonly I hear this one mixed up with E. So pairs like sheep and ship, for example, I hear those muddled up a lot. I'm going to explain to you today how to make this short I sound and how it's different. I'm also going to give you the different ways that we spell this sound so that you could recognise it as well in words. So when we look at I, it needs to be short. I'm sure you already know that. I. What it also needs though is it needs a slightly lower tongue than E. So if we're looking at sheep and ship, it's not just the length of the vowel that's different. For I, ship, the tongue is just a little bit lower, a little bit more relaxed. I, 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 I. Some words with this sound in: sit, pick, swim, with. This letter I here is the most common way that we spell I. We also spell it occasionally with the letter E, like pretty, the letter U, like busy, the letter O, like women, but usually it's spelt with the letter I. In this video series, I am going to be going through every single sound of British English. So make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you press the bell notification, which is somewhere around my head, so that you know when I next release a video. Very well done. Keep working. I'll see you in the next video.